Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the something went wrong error in the Facebook monetization dashboard. The first thing you should do is open the Google Play Store, search for Facebook, and update the app to the latest version. Once it's updated, reopen Facebook and check if the error is gone. If the issue is still there, press and hold the Facebook app, tap App Info, go to Storage, then Clear Data, and tap Force Stop. After that, open the app again. If needed, uninstall and reinstall Facebook. If none of these methods work, the problem is most likely caused by a Facebook server issue, which means you'll need to wait until Facebook fixes it. You can also help by reporting the problem. Take a screenshot of the error, open Facebook, tap the three-line menu, go to Help and Support, choose Report a Problem, tap Continue to report a problem, attach the screenshot, and describe the issue. The more users who report the bug, the sooner Facebook may resolve it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.